Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to open a bank account in Argentina. All right, so first up, we're going to open our browser. And here on the search box, I'm going to search for commercial banks in Argentina. And then here you will find some results. As you can see, we have a lot of choices here. And if we're going to click on the list of commercial banks in Argentina, so you now go here on the globalbrandsmagazine.com. And as you can see, here are the possible data, as you can see here, on some of the available banks on Argentina. So for example, if you're going to open a bank account in ABN AMRO Bank, so you're going to look for this page, right? I'm going to search it right here. And this is the main website of the ABN AMRO Bank. So I'm going to click on this one. And here on the main page, you want to scroll down here to the bottom and you'll find an option under customer. We have here private banking. So click on this one. Now under the private banking, here you will find some options. So I want to open a bank account. So I'm going to click on this option here. And then I'm going to select this myself. This is a personal account. So I'm going to scroll down here and here you'll find the instructions on how you can open a bank account. So first up, you need to download the application. So make sure you're at least 18 years old and you have an official home address in the Netherlands or in Argentina. And you should have to scan the QR code here with your phone's camera and you'll be directly go to an app store where you can download the application. And then the next step, submit your proof of identity. So take a picture of your identity document so you can open a bank account through the ABN AMRO app with the following identity documents. So right from here. So these are the requirements. And the next step, you need to take a picture, right? So take a picture of yourself using your mobile phone. And then the fourth step here, answer some questions. So they want to know you better so they can provide you with the best service. And then here you've sent your application. So they will check the information that you have entered to open a bank account. So as you can see here, you have to wait for at least 4 hours after the completing the application. And once done, the last step here, upload your proof of residence to open up the bank account. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.